Your morning announcements.
On WDMS News.
Today is Wednesday, April 24th, A-Day. Please stand for the pledge and the Dundalk Middle School Code of Conduct.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community.
Please be seated. Now let's find out what happened on this date in history.
Hi, I'm Russ Mitchell with a look at this day in history, April 24th. In 1800, the Library of Congress was established in Washington, D.C. It is now the largest library in the world. On this day in 1953, British statesman Winston Churchill was knighted for his service to his country by Queen Elizabeth II. In 1981, IBM introduced the first personal computer, and competitors rushed to clone the machine. And on this day in 1916, Ireland's Easter Rebellion began the end of British rule. The Irish Republic had seized government buildings in Dublin. Armed rebellion continued until 26 counties were granted independence. 6 northern counties remained under British control, and their struggle for independence continues. And that's this day in history.
Today's math problem is 8 times negative 2 equals. Be sure to let your math teacher know if you can solve it. And now here's Emily with our word of the day.
Today's word of the day is stoical. The refugees, stoical, accepted of their plight was deeply moving. And again, today's word of the day is stoical.
Attention 8th graders, please don't forget your permission slip and money for the trip to Camden Yards. Both items are due this Friday, April 26th. If you need a new permission slip, see Mr. Wojcik at lunch or after school.
Attention students and staff. Mayhem in the Middle is back. It's a volleyball game that is played between the teachers at Hollywood Middle School and your very own DMS faculty. The game is played at Dundalk High School and will be taking place tonight from 5 to 7 p.m. The teachers here at DMS have been practicing hard and need all the support we can get. Students can use 10 hoots plus $3 to attend the game or $4 with no hoots. Come out and cheer on your teachers and staff so we can bring home the trophy. So we can bring the trophy back this year.
Attention, all 6th grade AVID applications are due to Ms. Sylvester by Wednesday, May 1st. And again, all 6th grade AVID applications are due to Ms. Sylvester by Wednesday, May 1st.
The Thumbs Up for Reading ice cream party will be held today in the library during Mod 10.
Now let's get a check on the weather from Madison.
Good morning, this is Madison here with your WDMS weather for April 24th. Tonight, mostly sunny, highs in the lower 70s, variable winds. Tonight, mostly cloudy, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorm in the evening, then a chance of showers with slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight, 60% chance. Lows in the mid-40s and variable winds. That was your WDMS weather. Now here are the temperatures for the next 7 days.
Thanks, Madison.
Now for some words of wisdom.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. And to tell me a few words of wisdom. Here's something to think about. In the past, a student who was courteous and respectful was admired and well thought of by other students. Today, the student who is disrespectful and rude is sometimes thought to be cool. Listen to the words of Eric Hoffer, a former longshoreman turned philosopher. Rudeness is a weak man's imitation of strength. In other words, being rude is a cover-up for weakness and insecurity. Today, ask yourself this question. When people feel good about themselves, how do they behave? Are they rude or strong and caring? Are they disrespectful or courteous and respectful? According to Mr. Hoffer, being rude is a weak thing to do. What do you think? With something to think about, send to Sondheim. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours.
And here's Mr. Barish.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. As you can see right here, we have our Mayhem in the Middle trophy that our staff earned last year. It sits in the office, Mayhem in the Middle champions. We won last year, and the year before, Halliburton Middle School staff won. So, again, first and foremost, the goal is that we have a great we represent DMS well by having all of our students come out to enjoy this event. Again, this supports our PTSA, and you get an opportunity to see our teachers and staff play volleyball against Halliburton Middle School. Again, we want to win, and I know we're going to win, but most importantly, I want to see all of our students come out to support our staff at DMS. And I also don't want to particularly wear a Halliburton polo on Friday. So I'm hoping that our staff does win this afternoon, 5 to 7. We want you to come out. Another announcement, students, we are going to, all students are going to be receiving their report cards tomorrow at the end of the school day. We will be making an announcement. You will be receiving your third quarter report cards. When you receive your report cards, you want to make sure you go home, you review your grades, you set goals for the fourth quarter, because soon enough you'll see the fourth quarter in just a couple weeks, it's going to be time for interims. So again, the fourth quarter is a quarter that always moves very quickly. You want to make sure you are setting goals with your report cards to ensure that you are working up to your potential. In order to do that, again, you want to come to school every day, demonstrate outstanding attendance, come to school with a positive attitude, and willing and able to apply yourself. 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, between now and the end of the year, our grades are going to be, they're going to have 8th grade, 7th grade, and 6th grade end-of-the-year activities. So in order for students to participate in our end-of-our-school activities, students, you need to make sure you're demonstrating positive behavior. Students who are suspended will not be able to participate on any field trips or any end-of-the-school activities. Again, we need to make sure we're promoting positive behavior. We've got to be able to do that in the schoolhouse before we go on other activities or field trips. So again, any students who have been suspended or any students with excessive SIRs and referrals will not be able to participate on any of the field trips as well as any of the end-of-the-year activities. So please make sure, students, that you are focusing on coming to school with that positive attitude and making great decisions and learning in a safe, conducive environment. Okay, so again, we hope to see you all out tonight. Now back to Emily and to Intisar. Have a great day.
This is Intisar
And Emily reminding you to
stay classy, Dundalk Middle School. Hope to see you there.